This video has another practice problem on graphing a piecewise defined function in ALEKS. We have f of x equal to x squared plus 1 if x is less than 1, f of x equal to 2 if x equals 1, and f of x equal to 8 minus 3x if x is greater than 1. We want to graph the function and determine whether or not it's continuous. So I'll start with my parabola. Y equals x squared plus 1 if x is less than 1. So I want to start with the vertex. Because there's no bx term, we would consider b to be 0. So the x value of the vertex is 0. The y value would be 1. So I'll select the parabola. I'll do the point 0, 1 as the vertex. Then it says, choose how the curve opens. Is it an upward facing or downward facing parabola? For that, you look at the number in front of the x squared term. In our case, it's a positive 1, so the graph would open upward. Now it says place another point. So I'm just going to pick an x value, like say I pick x equal 1, plug it into x squared plus 1, and I get y equals 2. So I'm going to just click that point. Now I have to use the cutting tool to get rid of the part I don't want. So the end point of my section will be when x equals 1. And I'll go ahead and plug a 1 in here. 1 squared plus 1 is 2. So I'm going to select the cutting tool and put the point 1, 2. Plot point to edit graph. Grab the eraser and erase the portion of my graph where x is greater than 1. Now I can see because it's x is strictly less than 1, it's going to be a hollow dot at that point. And I'm done with the parabola portion. Now I move on to the constant. If x equals 1, then y equals 2. So that will just be a dot at the point 1, 2. Now the linear portion. Y equals 8 minus 3x if x is greater than 1. So I want to get the endpoint part first. When x is 1, y is 8 minus 3 times 1, which is 5. So I'm going to have the point, let me select the ray tool. I'm going to have the point 1, 5. And I got the 5 by plugging a 1 into the 8 minus 3x. Now my slope is negative 3, so that's down 3 to the right 1. And I have one more part. Because x is strictly greater than 1, I have to do a hollow dot at the point 1, 5. And because my graph does not connect here when x equals 1, I would say no, it's not continuous.